Guaranty Trust Bank plc was established in 1990 as a limited liability company regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria to provide commercial and other banking services to Nigerians. The bank began operations as a commercial bank in 1991. The bank inaugurated its first head office on February 11, 1991, at the Plaza Ademo Alakeja, Victoria Island, Lagos. In 1992, the bank opened 2 branches in Lagos, as well as its first upcountry branch in Kano, and a Port Harcourt branch in 1993. In September 1996, Guaranty Trust Bank plc became a publicly traded corporation and received the President's Merit Award from the Nigerian Stock Exchange. The bank received a universal banking license in February 2002 and was later designated as a settlement bank by the Central Bank of Nigeria in 2003. In the same year, it incorporated subsidiaries in Gambia and Sierra Leone. Guaranty Trust Bank undertook its second share offering in 2004 and raised over $11 billion from Nigerian investors to expand its operations. On the 26th of July 2007, GTBank became the very first sub-Saharan bank and first Nigerian joint stock company to be listed on London Stock Exchange and Deutsche Börse. The IPO raised US $750 million. In the same year, they successfully placed Nigeria's first private Eurobond issue on the international capital markets. The GTBank US $500 million Eurobond was the first ever benchmark Eurobond issue by a Nigerian corporate, and the second Eurobond program by GTBank in the last 5 years. The long-term debts of Guaranty Trust Bank plc are rated BB by Standard and Poor's and AA by Fitch Ratings, which are the highest ratings for a Nigerian bank. They introduced online banking and SMS banking in Nigeria, and a Naira-denominated MasterCard as well as the Platinum and World 𝐶𝒖𝒓 cards, and with GTB on wheels,